Okay, let's start with the first step of installing the handlebars by removing this cable tie. Remove all of these cosmetics. Now at this position you can unscrew these 4 screws. This is a screw being unscrewed, and this is a chestnut. When you're handling it, everyone should pay attention. This wire must be aligned properly. I've seen many consumers install it like this with the wire wrapped around the handlebars, which is incorrect. You must make sure it's free, with the wire smoothly hanging outside, not tangled on the bike frame. And then, the threading. The threading must be placed in the middle, and then at this point we do this again. Screw on the screws one by one, but don't tighten them yet, just cover them first. Attach all 4 screws first, don't rush to tighten them. Find an approximate position that suits your height, as it can be adjusted back and forth according to your height. After it's done, give it a base. Although I'm using this power tool for convenience, the installation process is the same with manual tools. At this point, the board is fully installed.